I'm showing you everything that I'm cooking. This is liver. This is chicken liver. You can make a pate out of it, or you can just simply cook it like I'm cooking it. I'm making this for my dog. It's got a little bit of Himalayan salt in it, and I'm making this for Peaches. Sorry about that, because she likes it. The guy that sells it, I get a lot of liver, and pretty reasonable. All this costs like $4. But what you can do with liver is you can actually wrap it in bacon with a lot of seasonings. Oh my God, it's so good when you wrap it in bacon and then you grill it. It's so delicious. I guess it's high in cholesterol, but it's got healthy benefits to it. It's good for iron. If you have deficient iron, eat liver. It's good for you. So I wouldn't suggest eating it raw. I don't know if people eat it raw. I don't know, but if you do, you just saute it. I used to saute mine in butter when I was younger. Wrap it up in some. I season it. Wrap it up in some. Put toothpicks on it. Maybe I might do that the next time. So yeah, eat your liver. I used to hate it as a kid, but now love it as an adult. Oh, I love pate. Oh my God. It's like pate's like one of my favorite things to eat. So anyways, but this is liver, chicken liver. All right, talk to you later.